Today we have the Galaxy A10e going up against the Moto G6 Play. A speed test coming up. So to get the speed test underway here, we're going to talk about the specifications of each device. Now with the Galaxy A10e, we have an octa-core chipset in there, 2 cores that are clocked at 1.6 gigahertz and another 6 that are clocked at 1.35. 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, and the device is running Android 9 Pie. Now with the Moto G6 Play, it is the Boost Mobile variant. It has the Snapdragon 425 in it. It's a quad-core chipset. It's clocked at 1.4 gigahertz. This device also has 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, and it also is running Android 9 Pie. Now with the A10e benchmark scores, you can see a significant difference there, more than double what the G6 Play is. 89,636 on the A10e and 44,202 for the G6 Play. Now when it comes to the Geekbench scores here, this is where you see the significant difference. Single core score of 1167 and a multi-core score of 3535 for the Galaxy A10e, and a single core score of 658 on the G6 Play and a multi-core score of 1826. Now almost more than double the G6 Play here on both the single core and the multi-core performance, but I think you may be surprised to see the performance of the Moto G6 Play with the capable 425 in it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So now what we're going to do is get to the next part of the test. So now this part of the test is going to be an app opening test to see which device opens up the applications faster than the other, and then afterwards we're going to do a RAM management test to see which device holds the application better in the background. I recently did a reset to the Moto G6 Play. That's why you don't see the setup on the device that I usually have on all my Android phones, but in this case here I don't have it set up properly, so excuse that. But the first application we're going to open up here is Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. I went to the Moto G6 Play. Now the next application is going to be YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. All right, that went to the Galaxy A10e. The next application is going to be Adobe Photoshop Express. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Galaxy A10e. The next application is going to be Best Buy. So 3, 2, 1. And that again went to the Galaxy A10e. And then the last application is going to be Netflix. So 3, 2, 1. Goes to the Galaxy A10e. So now what we're going to do is test the RAM on each device. So Play Store, held by the G6 Play. YouTube, held by both devices. Adobe, held by both devices. Best Buy, held by both devices. Netflix. I had to give it a pass there because I wasn't signed into Netflix there, but the Galaxy A10 did have to reload a application. Not sure which application it was, but you can watch it in the playback of the video there. So in this case here, I had to give it to the A10e only because it opened up, I think 3 out of the 5 applications faster, if not 4 out of the 5. And it also only had to reload 1 application. So overall, it has to go to the A10e. And so for the next part of the test here, what we're going to do is install 3 applications that are pretty popular in the Android Play Store here and see which device actually installs the applications faster. And so the first application that we have here in front of us is Pandora. So 3, 2, 1. And that goes to the Galaxy A10e. G6 Play is still installing. By the way, it's going to be the best 2 out of 3 here. I'm going to choose 3 applications, and depending on which device installs 2 out of 3 the fastest, wins this test. Well, this part of the test. So the next application is going to be Wish. So 3, 2, 1. All right, and that goes to the Galaxy A10e with the G6 Play right behind it. So based on this test here, it already installed the first two applications faster than the G6 Play, so that automatically goes to the Galaxy A10e. Now conclude the video with the final test and have the final verdict. All right, so with the final part of the test here, what we're gonna do is a restart to see which device actually powers on and powers back on, and that will conclude the video. So let's go ahead and get that started. 3, 2, 1. And that goes to the Galaxy A10e here. So based on the results from a good amount of these tests here in this speed test video, the Galaxy A10e is a faster phone clearly than the Moto G6 Play, even though both devices are running Android 9 Pie. I guess it just didn't have a chance. But if you guys have anything you want to see in particular here with the Galaxy A10e or the Moto G6 Play in a future video, let me know in the comment section below. But be sure to share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.